Hey guys, well, we're back at it again, another Sam's and Walmart grocery haul. It's been probably 3 or 4 weeks since our last one. We usually do Sam's about once a month, so those are the ones I record. Now for the few people that do seem to watch my videos, all my videos, I do go to the grocery store usually each week, throughout the month, but this is usually my biggest haul. Typically, so I usually record this one. Sometimes the other ones are kind of small and kind of hit or miss, so these are the ones I record. If you want to see each grocery haul I do, I'll be more than happy to do that, but they're usually not much to those. So let's get into our Sam's grocery haul first. Y'all already know we got to take care of Aaron and his snacks. So, peanut butter crackers for Aaron, and we got to take care of us and our snacks. Patrick's protein bars, that's his favorite brand. Protein bars for me. Patrick's favorite little sweet treat at night, sea salt caramels. Fruit, we have Honeycrisp apples, bananas, and red grapes. A big bag of onions. A big bag of the little baby potatoes, some olive oil. I always like to keep things on hand that make a real easy and quick supper for us when I'm busy or when I don't feel like cooking. So these were on sale. We have had these several times and we love them. They cook about 40 minutes in the oven and you can throw together a side or two with it real quick. And then these were on sale as well. Same brand, so we know they'll be good. So we've got these to put in the freezer to have for an easy dinner. My son's latest drink obsession, Sunny Delights. He will go through these in no time. And Aaron likes Pepsi Zero as well. And toilet paper. Alright, that's it for my Sam's haul. I know, are you excited about your Pepsis? I know. You want a Pepsi? Hold on, let me go ahead and open these Pepsis so we can get one. Are you excited? Okay. Alright, let me put some of this stuff up and then I'll come back for the Walmart haul. Alright, now for my Walmart haul. First, eggs. Some more snacks for Aaron, the Z-bars, some granola. This granola is low sugar and it tastes really good. So these are for yogurt bowls. Got to have coffee. I was out of flour. Dadgummit, the bag is busted. Water flavors, Rotel. 2 of these are for taco soup this week, and one of them, we're making steak fajitas tonight. Patrick's going to grill flank steak. We're going to cut it and make fajitas. And I'm going to make some queso and chips to go with it. Bacon. I've got 2 packs of chicken. This one is for chicken and dumplings. This week, next week, I bought enough things for several meals, so my meals will probably last into the following week. So, the other pack of chicken breast is to make chicken parm. Celery and carrots for my chicken and dumplings. Ground beef for taco soup, lean ground beef for taco soup. And then I bought these little lean ground beef hamburger patties. Just to have on hand for a quick meal, or even I can cook one for me for lunch if I need something for lunch. Shampoo for the guys. This is some water enhancer that they subbed my grape for. I love grape. They gave me green apple. I don't know how they think that's close to grape. And I told them I didn't want it. They gave it to me anyway. Some lean ground turkey. I'm going to make a frittata for me for meal prep for breakfast, lunch, cottage cheese. Some of this is for my frittata. Some of it's just to snack on. And my doctor wanted me to try a snack at night with this, just to help with some craving. So she told me how, what to do with it. So we'll see if that works. So cottage cheese for all that. Some zucchini spirals. I'm making chicken parm at some point this week or next week. And I did buy protein pasta. But I bought these to kind of mix in with it. Number one, it'll make it go further. Number two, when you have a serving of it, you don't have quite as much pasta in it. It's kind of a mixture of pasta and vegetables. So make it a little bit healthier. Frozen biscuits for Aaron. Some frozen spinach for my frittata. Yogurt for yogurt bowls. We still had a whole nother pack in the refrigerator, so I just bought one. Some ribeye pork chops to grill one night. And this is a frozen dinner for Patrick. He needs a quick lunch, and he doesn't have any leftovers to take. He can grab that real quick. More oats. I am going to be meal prepping this week. Patrick has asked for oatmeal this week for a breakfast meal prep. So I'll try to record a video just showing y'all some of the different flavors combinations. Most people know how to make overnight oats, but I'll show y'all the different flavor combos that we do just to give you some ideas for some different flavors. So oats for that. Some Velveeta for our queso for tonight. All right, I've got some canned green beans. We have two different kinds. We have this kind and the French style, just to have for an easy side dish. We have some high fiber tortillas for our steak fajitas tonight. Restock of chicken broth. Y'all know, y'all see this all the time. I keep chicken broth on hand just because it's good to have. But I'm making the switch over, even though my checkbook's not happy about it, over to bone broth. These are less expensive than these. Y'all, everybody sees these. And I'm sure they're good, but I've never bought them because they're very expensive. So I did get 3 boxes of the Kettle Fire. 1 beef, 1 chicken, and 1 mushroom chicken. Cans of corn for the taco soup. Taco seasoning for taco soup. I've never had this one before. The brand that I like that doesn't irritate my stomach, they did not have, and they subbed it for this. So we'll see how that is. Cornbread mix. This is our favorite cornbread to have with, when I do the grilled pork chops, we're going to do some purple hull peas in the Instant Pot, have corn on the cob, and cornbread. I don't know how much scooping I'll be able to do with these, since these were at the bottom of the tote. Drives me crazy. Anyway. 1 bag is to go with our queso and chips. The multi-grain ones are so good. They're my favorite, just flavor-wise. They taste great. Go with our queso tonight, and then 1 bag is to have when we eat taco soup. Marinara for chicken parm. Chili beans for taco soup. Sugar-free chocolate chips to go with my cottage cheese little dessert thing my doctor wanted me to try. Some sliced new potatoes. I don't remember why I bought these. Some limes for fajitas tonight and for just general purpose. Country Bobs, because we have to keep Country Bobs. Black beans for taco soup. Mushrooms for my frittata. And kidney beans for taco soup. Okay guys, so that's my haul. Oh. And I bought a probiotic, again, recommended by my doctor. Those were kind of expensive, so that's my haul. As always, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.